Hey guys, I just went out and filled the feeders, so I thought I'd let y'all see if we can see some birds come up. I kind of scared them, so they might not come back right away. And no, I filled them up because it's supposed to get down in the 20s here tonight. So I'm thinking I'm going to have to leave. I've been turning the space heaters off, but I think I'm going to have to leave at least the one in my bedroom on low. I probably won't sleep for worrying about the house catching on fire, but better that than freezing to death tonight. I'm really missing my husband, that's for sure, because that bed's pretty cold without him. Excuse me. But he said up in Kansas City it's going to be in the 70s today, and I was like, sure, rub it in. Go ahead, rub it in. So let me tell you guys, if it was not for bad luck, I really wouldn't have any at all. I worked over yesterday because I stayed home Monday because of the food poisoning I got Sunday night. So yeah, that should tell you something right there. Well, I worked from 5 a.m. to 12:30. I got off, I went and I got in the car and I started up and I was leaving the parking lot and I looked to the right to check traffic and I saw the upper corner of my windshield was cracked about a foot into the center of the window. So between 1 and 5 today, I have a man coming to put a new windshield into my car. Thankfully, we had full coverage because it won't cost me anything, which is good. And other than that, not really too much has been going on. Me and the kid, we've been trying to stay warm, but that's been kind of hard the last couple days. And now it's going to drop even lower, which really kind of sucks. And of course, I put the camera on the bird feeders, and the little devils are going to the suet instead. So to me, that tells me right there that since they are choosing suet over sunflower seeds, it's going to be really cold. Isn't it funny how some people will say, how do you know that? You know, it's signs of nature, and I can't believe people don't know that. I think there's a little nuthatch fixing to come down. No, it's a tufted titmouse. It's trying to decide if it's safe to go down there. He's trying to make his decision. But signs of nature that it's going to get cold. The birds are feeding on things like suet, which is a fat, which gives them more energy for warmth. Or, you know, you can tell it's going to rain. You know, it's cloudy, but you can also tell by the way the trees turn their leaves toward the sky. I mean, there are all sorts of ways to tell you when weather is going to change or be kind of nasty. Now, that was the tufted titmouse, and he's kind of shy, so he'll probably only feed on the back side of the feeder. It looks like a ruby-crowned kinglet is making its way. I think that's what's been feeding on the suet, is the little ruby-crowned kinglet. They are only about 2 or 3 inches total, and they are just the cutest little things. They don't stay here, they migrate through, so this is the time of the year for us to get to see them. And they are so sweet. They're little green birds, and the males have a little red spot on their head. Oh, here comes, oops, somebody went flying past. They're checking to see if I've done something to the feeders. It's so funny how when you fill the feeders, they get all shy, and then they take their time to get to know you again. Okay, there is a little guy on the suet on the tree. Let me move y'all so you can see the suet, because that seems to be where they want to be today. Let me see if I can make it come up a little bit. Oh, it's going to be right in the, what you're seeing there that's cutting it halfway is the window. Hang on. See if I can get this tripod to open up just a little bit, get you below without falling off the table. Now I've lost sight of the stupid stuff. Nope, now we're seeing the birdhouse that nobody uses. Loosen this again. See if I can get it to... Alright. That's the base of the tree. That's the birdhouse. That's the wrong stinking tree. That's the tree we want, right there. And there's somebody right there. Sorry, I'm moving you around. There you go. Yeah. That little guy is a ruby-crowned kinglet. I was really hoping we could... I have a red-bellied woodpecker that comes, and he's about 10 inches in size. Now that is a sparrow, I think. No. Oh, I know what that is. That's a pine warbler. I think that's the pine warbler. They have a sweet sound. That tufted titmouse just does not want to be on camera. See if I can angle it down just a little bit. There we go. Finally get you a bird to watch. Well, I won't keep you guys. Might let you watch the birds for a while. If you want to just not watch anymore, you can. I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to watch the birds myself. Put you back down on the feeder. Sorry. Let me see if I can get you back on the sewer, because here's the woodpecker. You see him? Isn't he beautiful? Oh, I'm so glad he came while y'all were watching. It's just a beautiful bird. Comes every day. Oh, there he goes up the tree. He'll eat like that a little while and then he'll go up the tree. And sometimes he'll chase off all the other birds. Well, that was a treat. I'm glad you guys got to see him. If you're still watching. And I said I wasn't going to talk, but that was exciting. Well, I've been awake a long time. I think I'm going to take a nap before those guys come to fix the windshield. Y'all take care, and I'll try to come on tomorrow with some crafty stuff, okay? Take care. Bye now.